I've been asked to say a few words about the Sankirtan Padyatra, which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself personally inaugurated by doing Padyatra throughout South India, much of West India, through the Jharkhand forest, and then along the Ganga up to Vrindavan. And in recent times, Srila Prabhupada, among the many programs which he inaugurated for fulfilling Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Bhavishyavani, his prophecy, Prithivite Ache Jato Nagaradigram Savats Pracha Hoibe Maranam. For fulfilling this prophecy, among the many programs, Srila Prabhupada instituted this Sankirtan Padyatra, and it's going on largely under the guidance and inspiration in the next generation of Srila Lokanath Maharaj, and it should go on, it should continue. Srila Prabhupada said there can be millions of such carts for spreading Krishna consciousness to every town and village. It's a all-inclusive program. There's kirtan, book distribution, Back to Godhead or Bhagavad Darshan magazine distribution, personal preaching to people, lectures on the pure teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, sometimes a drama, also reaching out to all remote spots. It's especially going on in India with several regional Padyatras going on, as well as the All India Padyatra, which was started 40 years ago, I believe. It was 30 years ago, just before Srila Prabhupada's centennial. So my obeisances to all the great souls who are engaged in this program. Walking back to Godhead, every step you take is a step closer to the lotus feet of Krishna. You are real sadhus, no consideration of personal comfort, taking all difficulties. It's not in terms of ISKCON's international movement, such a prestigious position. You don't get the same big prestige that a temple president or a big collector might get, but be assured, and you can personally experience it, that you are, without a doubt, getting the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and all the Acharyas and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by spreading the mercy that they came to give by this really grassroots, down-to-earth program. Nowadays we have so many preaching strategies, including what I'm doing now, which is giving talks and various presentations via the internet, which are just suitable for the present time, but at the same time, this grassroots, down-to-earth, person-to-person, village-to-village, bringing the mercy, bringing the holy names, this is essential. This must continue. And as a very small servant in Srila Prabhupada's movement, who, having the mercy to be directly initiated by him, is given some special honor just because of that. On behalf of Srila Prabhupada, I would like to offer all those devotees engaged in this Sankirtan Padyatra my profound respect and encouragement and best wishes and blessings to continue with this service and made expand more and more and more to fulfill more and more and more the desire of Srila Prabhupada, which was none different from the desire of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that everyone who has, especially those who have taken human birth, can benefit by the gift of the holy name of Krishna. And of course, doing so much Harinam Sankirtan, Padyatra, going village to village, even the non-moving and the non-human species, they're also benefited by this chanting. So please go on, and may Krishna bless you more and more and more. Hare Krishna.